Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you guys have had a blessed Memorial Day. I hope you guys will continue to be safe out there. I want to say I appreciate all of you guys comment on my my video of me realizing I was a white dude. I posted a video, man. It was crazy, like what was going on down the street, and my instinct to go check and make sure my son was okay, didn't get caught up in that stuff down there with the police and everything. And then I came home, I had my daughter with me, and I was like, crap, I'm a black dude. The suspect of the suspect more than likely ended up being an African American male. So I came home and threw this hat on and stood on my porch. Hey, I ain't with that foolishness now. But anyway, hey, this is our daily devotional. Um, I'll post this on my YouTube channel. Any of you guys who now follow us on TikTok, me and my family, we ask that you jump over to our YouTube and check that YouTube channel out and see if some of those videos may pertain to you, or some videos that may could help you in any way. We truly appreciate that. Think about becoming a subscriber, and please, if you don't mind, become a member. Join our membership on our YouTube channel. I'm working on membership videos as we speak to make sure I give you guys a up close and personal look at who we are as followers of Christ. So, with that being said, let's jump into this day devotional for September 1st, 2025. This day devotional is entitled Humility and Unity. Sorry, I was cutting the TV down a little bit. I'm going to be done in a minute, okay, sweetheart? I'll be done with the video in just a few minutes. Humility and unity. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. Psalms chapter 133, verse 1. In the middle of the letter to the Ephesian church, Paul told them to be humble and diligent to preserve their unity. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 2 through 3. Unity among Christians is based on Christ-like humility. You can read that in Philippians chapter 2, verses 1 through 11. When Christians bicker, what's the problem? Do you know what the problem is? Oh, sorry. I think the problem is pride. One of the expressions of pride is contempt. I'm right. Like, you're wrong. Such men pour out their contempt on others or toward others. Respect is the opposite of contempt. Respect embraces the truth that everyone is made in the image of God. Brothers in Christ are to be loved and respected, and your church's leaders deserve the highest respect. Great authority comes from great humility. Another expression of pride is being judgmental and overly critical, as if you somehow know the motives in someone else's heart. Being non-judgmental means you are sure the best. What's wrong, sweetheart? Okay, hold on. Assure that the sorry, let me start it over. Being non-judgmental means you assume the best about the other person. I'll get it when I finish this. What is the difference between criticism and exhortation? Here, you speak into difficult situations. You restore others gently. In Galatians chapter 6, verse 1 through 5. And exhortation comes from a heart of love with a desire to help the other person and walk alongside them for a while. Humility is healing. It alone releases the power and the blessings of God among believers. Our prayer is, Lord, I want unity. You have commanded me to humble myself before you. I do so now. May God add a blessing to the hearers and the doers of his word. I truly appreciate you guys rocking with us on our TikTok, becoming new followers. Thank you for helping our channel grow. I appreciate all the hilarious comments that you guys have posted, and it's been amazing. Me and my wife have been cracking up on all those comments. So please continue to have a blessed night. Be safe this Labor Day. Remember, tomorrow's Tuesday, and we got to get back to making money and taking care of our families. Let's continue to make America great again. Have a blessed night. Be safe. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine.